to go live stream by next week, tama ba?
Yes, we're ready. In fact, we've set up the system. At the same time, we're just waiting for any hearing that will be live streamed. We've done our testing already, and it's working.
It's available where?
It's going to be available in YouTube.
And sir, may veto powers po ba ang commission if ever hindi pumasok dun sa guidelines yung executive session request ng mga resource?
Yes, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, the live streaming guidelines provide for a default, meaning kung walang request for any executive session, we will have to go live stream. So they would have to justify why they're asking for an executive session based on our guidelines, which is also based on existing law and jurisprudence and pronouncement by the Supreme Court.
Resource person, sir, that are we expecting?
As always, we will announce beforehand who our resource persons would be.
Si Sandro, sir, can we say pa next week na siya?
I cannot mention kung kailan,
Okay.
but definitely we will announce if and when Congressman Sandro Marcos will be coming over.
Sir, so
Right.
meaning the
Ask na to,
yes, sir. Sir, so meaning somehow the delays in the live streaming ay dahil lang talaga na nagre-request sila ng executive session but the ICI is ready anytime, any day to live stream the hearing.
Yes, of course. We're here as all of you know, no? Our guidelines is for live streaming kasi we want to be as transparent as possible para makita ng publiko kung ano ang sinasabi ng aming resource persons at para ma-inform rin yung publiko. No? So, we're ready to live stream and we're just waiting for a resource person who will be appearing before the ICI and who would agree on who would be showing their testimony to the public to our live streaming system.
Sorry, what caused the delay? But parang in-announce ni Justice yan, parang October pa sa Senate that we will live stream.
Oh, yeah, of course, diba, it took us some time to really study the live streaming guidelines. No? We wanted to be very careful about that. Pinag-aralan namin ng masusi kung ano bang sinasabi ng batas, ano bang sinasabi ng ating korte with regard to this. Kasi gusto namin i-balance yung karapatan ng taong bayan on information, at the same time the individual rights of our resource persons at kung sino man yung kanilang mame-mention o madadawit sa kanilang testimony. So we were very careful about that. So yan yung kaya nakalatag ngayon lahat yan sa aming guidelines.
Sir, general na lang, sino yung mga gusto nyo naka-line up pa na investigahan?
I cannot mention that's part of our investigative process.